Okay, let us now discuss some questions from the practice sheet. These questions are taken from NCERT book. You can see the number of questions I have mentioned on the board. I will solve 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th question. Okay. So let's start with the question number 3. It says, construct a triangle with sides 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm, and then another triangle whose sides are 7 by 5 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. So just see which kind of construction it is. It is based on the construction of a similar triangle of a given scaling factor, of a given proportionality. So we will start constructing first a triangle. You know very well how to construct a triangle. You have studied this concept of construction of a triangle. So I am not going to explain how to construct a triangle. I will just construct one triangle and write the steps of construction so that you can remember, you can recall what you have studied. So let's see. In the question number 3, first I need to construct a given triangle. Let us say the given triangle is triangle ABC, and the sides of this triangle are 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 7 centimeters. And what is extra given? The scaling factor, the scale factor which we call. So the scale factor is 7 by 5. Now what you can see, the scale factor is greater than 1. In the scale factor, the numerator is more than the denominator. So it means my task is to construct a triangle which is of greater side, greater length, or in bigger in size compared to the given triangle. So let's first make the given triangle. You can see 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter are the given length of the triangle. So I will construct a triangle ABC first. So how to construct the triangle? First I will draw the side which is of biggest length or the largest length, okay, that is 7 centimeter. So let us say I draw a side of 7 centimeters from this point to this point. So this is the 7 centimeter, okay. You might feel that why the 7 centimeter is so large. So let me tell you, I am drawing the sides 10 times given in the question. It's because if I draw a 7 centimeter line, it will be like this much. So it will be impossible for me to explain how to go for the steps of construction. That's why you need to consider this as 7 centimeter line, because in your notebook you have to draw a 7 centimeter line. So this line is given as 7 centimeters, and let us say this is BC. I will say that this is the base of the triangle BC. Now let us construct the second side. Second side is 6 centimeters. So how will I construct a 6 centimeter side? I will use my compass. I will measure 6 centimeters, and then using 6 centimeter I will put an arc. So how to draw that? So let's see. What I will do, I will put the needle of my compass on the 0 centimeters. You can see this is 0 centimeters, and I will extend the arc till 60 centimeters. Okay, because my length should be 6 centimeters. So to draw on board, I will take 60 centimeters. You can see I am measuring the 60 centimeter length, but on your notebook you have to measure 6 centimeters. So like this, I will put the compass and the 6 centimeter. I will put it like this. Like this. So this is 60 centimeters I have measured. So this is the 60 centimeter length that I have taken. So what I will do with this 60 centimeters, okay, that means the 6 centimeter, I will use any of the vertices of this line segment, okay, the two ends of this line segment, and mark an arc using this, any of the point as the center. Let us say I choose point B. So using point B, I will mark an arc like this. Like this. Okay, you can see this is an arc of 60 centimeters. That is 6 centimeter from your reference. Now the third side is of 5 centimeter. So I will measure the third length. Okay, using the third length, I will put my needle of compass at point C and I will mark an arc like this. Like this. So you can see this is a 6 centimeter arc, this one, and this is a 5 centimeter arc. Now if I join the two points, that is this point with this point B and this point with this point C, this point is known as point A. Okay, I will mark this point as point A, and here I will join this point A with point C. Like this. So this is my AC and this is 5 centimeters. Similarly, I will join this point A and point B also. Like this, and I will call this AB as 6 centimeters. So this is my triangle ABC. So the first step of construction is draw BC 6 centimeters, sorry 7 centimeters. Then second step is using B as center, draw an arc of 6 centimeters. Then third point, using C as center, draw an arc of 5 centimeters. Okay, इस पॉइंट पर रख के हमने एक 6 सेंटीमीटर का आर्क बनाया, इस पॉइंट पर रख के हमने एक 5 सेंटीमीटर का आर्क बनाया, एंड द पॉइंट जहां पर ये दोनों आर्क एक दूसरे को मीट कर रहे हैं, दैट पॉइंट इज गिवन एज पॉइंट ए. इसे हमने पॉइंट ए नाम दे दिया, एंड वी हैव जॉइंड ए बी एंड ए सी, एंड वी हैव गॉट ए बी सी एज अवर गिवन ट्रायंगल. ओके, सो द फोर्थ पॉइंट, let the intersection of two arcs, let the intersection of two arcs is A, and triangle ABC is given triangle, and I will name this triangle ABC as the given triangle. So अभी हमने सिर्फ given triangle बनाया. What is the next step? Next step is to construct a similar triangle of scale factor 7/5. कैसे करते हैं similar triangle को construct? हम सबसे पहले एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे इस पॉइंट बी से, ओके एक पॉइंट बी से हमने एक लाइन ड्रॉ करा like this, and let us say this is the line bx. bx हमने एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर दिया. फिफ्थ स्टेप, ड्रॉ bx making an acute angle, with BC. BC के साथ एक एक्यूट एंगल बनाते हुए हमने एक आर्क ड्रॉ कर दिया. नाउ व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? हमने देखा स्केलिंग फैक्टर है 7/5. नाउ विच इज द लार्जर नंबर? 7 is the larger number, so I will put 7 arcs which are of equal length on this BX. इस BX पे मैं 7 arcs मार्क करूंगा जो कि इक्विडिस्टेंट होंगी, इक्वल लेंथ की होंगी. So the next step is locate B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7 on BX such that BB1 is equals to B1, B2 is equals to B2, B3 is equals to B3, B4 is equals to B4, B5 is equals to B5, B6 and is equals to B6, B7, like this. So let us say, let us take some random radius and I will mark 7 arcs on this. So let us say this is the random radius that I have taken. You can take any length, it depends on you. So I will put 7 arcs using this B as the center first. Then I will say that, let us say this is the first arc. Then putting the compass here, I will get the second arc. Similarly, putting the compass here, I will get the third arc. And then the fourth one. And then fifth one. And sixth. And the seventh one. Like this. So I have 7 arcs and I will name them as B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7. These are my 7 points that I have located. Now what you can see here, हमारे पास scaling factor है 7/5. If the scaling factor is 7/5, I will mark 7 points, this is okay, and then what I will do, I will join B5, okay, जो छोटा number है, which is the smaller number, I will join the smaller number with this point C. So what will be the next step? Next step is 7th step, join B5C. Okay, I will join B5C and what I will do? And draw a line B7E parallel to B5C intersecting BC produced at E. Okay, let me explain what I have written. सबसे पहले हम एक आर्क, एक लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं B5 और पॉइंट C को ज्वाइन करते हुए. ओके, एक लाइन हम इस तरह से बनाएंगे. दिस इज पॉइंट B5, दिस इज पॉइंट C एंड आई विल मार्क अ लाइन लाइक दिस. दिस इज माय B5C. तो B5C हमने ड्रॉ कर दिया. देन we need to construct a line B7E. That means I need to draw a line from this B7 point which is parallel to B5C. तो B7 से हमें एक line draw करनी है which is parallel to B5C. So let us draw the parallel line. Now how will you draw the parallel line? take some random radius, let us say I have taken this much, and using this B5 as the center, draw an arc like this. Like this, and using the same radius, draw an arc from point B7. Like this. Okay. Now measure this length. Measure this length. What is these 2 points? जब हमने B5 पर कंपास को रख के एक आर्क ड्रॉ करा, then the intersection of this arc with Bx and B5C are these 2 points, this one and this one. So I will measure this length. You can see I can measure this length like this, and this is the length. You can see very clearly. Now using this radius, put your compass here at this point. Which is this point? This point has gone, this point is taken from when we drawn an arc from this B7, using this B7 as the center and arc of same radius. जितना radius का arc हमने यहाँ पर बनाया, उसी radius का arc हमने B7 को center लेते हुए भी बनाया. And the point where this arc intersects Bx, using this Bx as the center, draw an arc like this, and you will got this point. Now join this point. Now join this point B7 with this point of intersection of the 2 arcs and extend it So what is this? This is a line drawn from point B7 parallel to BC5, okay, sorry, B5C, and this line is intersecting this BC. If I produce this BC, this line will going to intersect BC at point E. Okay, you may find कि जो line मैंने अभी बनाई है B7E, it is not exactly parallel, but you can assume this as a parallel because I am drawing on the board. So as I told you previously, it's a bit difficult to put the compass properly on this board. So I will get this B7E as a parallel line. So this is what I have written. Now what is the next step? Next step is draw a line EF parallel to AC intersecting BA produced at F. Okay, what I said, draw a line EF. It means I have to draw a line from this point E parallel to this AC. So let us first draw the line parallel to this AC. Again what I will do, I will take some random radius and put my compass at point C and draw an arc like this. Let us say this is the arc, and using the same radius I will draw an arc from point E as well. So like this. So this is the arc. Now the points where this arc is intersecting the BC and this AC, these 2 points, I will measure the length of this arc. You can see this is approximately this much. Okay, this is the length, and now using this radius I will put my needle here and draw an arc like this, So this is the point, and I have drawn an arc from this point as a center, which is this point. जब मैंने C point को center लेके एक arc draw किया था, this arc is intersecting this AE at point this one. Okay, you can name this as M or L, but it do not matter. So this is the arc, and I have taken this much length, arc length of this arc, and put an arc like this, and you will get this point. Now using this intersection point and point E, draw a line. So I will draw a line So I will draw a line using these 2 points. And I will extend it like this, okay, and I will extend it like this. Now what is written then? Draw a line EF parallel to AC. So this is a line parallel to AC intersecting a BA produced at F. It means I need to produce this BA line. This is BA line and I will produce it. Okay, I will produce it like this, and so that it will meet at point F. So I will say that triangle BFE is the required triangle. Now why it is so? It's because you can see this is 5 units, this is 2 units. So if I see this line BC and BE, both the lines BC and BE, what I can write here? I can see BC is, this BE line is divided into 2 parts, that is CE upon BC. If I say this lengths are x, all these arc lengths are x centimeters. So I can see CE is basically 2x upon this BC is basically 5x. So it will give you CE upon BC is equals to 2 by 5, and if you add 1 to both sides you will get BE upon BC is equals to 7 by 5. Okay, you will get BC upon CE is equals to 7 by 5, sorry, BE upon BC, and you can see both the triangles are similar. Why? Because this angle is common in triangle ABC and FBE, and these 2 angles are equal because they are corresponding angles. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle FBE. This is the required construction that we have to do. So in this manner I can construct a similar triangle. Okay, just what you need to remember is draw the points of larger number. Number of points should be of the larger number from the scale factor, and this smaller number should be joined to one of the vertices of the given triangle. So in this manner I have to construct this. So this completes question number 3. Okay, so you can note this, then we will continue.